We're here with Jason Schuler of Drink More Good. Tell us a little bit about how you figured out founding Drink More Good.
My background's in bars and restaurants, so I was a 19-year veteran of the hospitality industry. Started making syrups and bitters from behind a bar, and my regulars started asking for them to be bottled. That was 6 years ago. Since then, we've gone on to selling at local grocery food stores, Whole Foods throughout New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, and we've even gotten into manufacturing now, which is a majority of our business, is not only manufacturing our products, but for 8 different companies across the country. So we have the 2,000 square foot space on Main Street in Beacon. It's a commissary kitchen and retail store. As we started manufacturing more for brands, we quickly outgrew the capacities of that kitchen. So we actually took 10,000 square feet at the redevelopment project in the East Fishkill IBM campus, and we've been rapidly growing, and we are actually looking to take an additional 20,000 square feet over here in the next year. So growing quick. When I started the company, I made a commitment to myself that if I was going to have a company that was successful, I wanted it to have a positive impact on this world. So we partnered with a nonprofit organization called Generosity.org, who helps fund and build water wells in schools in parts of the world that desperately need them. And we've committed at least $4,000 every year, and in the past 6 years have raised over $35,000 and helped fund 6 water wells.